the rapid Plas WaterBeacon installation. The WaterBeacon parts include one black internal float, one base plate, base dome and top cover, one orange beacon ball, 3 aluminium tubes with brass threaded joiners, 6 stainless steel screws, a temporary black nut, a 3mm drill bit and 1 T-piece. Before installing, first remove the strainer cover and strainer by unscrewing the 4 self-tappers. Choose a suitable position to locate the level indicator, bearing in mind that it needs to be near the strainer opening. Drill a vertical hole with a 32 to 34mm hole saw. And then clean away any drill shavings. Now place the T-piece into the hole with the ribbed part shown upwards. Screw all 3 of the 3 aluminium tubes together tightly. And then fit the black temporary nut supplied on the top end of the tube. Insert the tube through the T-piece into the tank. The temporary nut will prevent the tube from sliding right through into the tank. To fit the black float ball, lift and swivel the tube to the strainer opening. Then reach inside and screw on the black float ball to the bottom end of the tube. Next, slide the base plate over the T-piece so the axle slots into the U-slot. Allow the tube to hang down from the swivel and rotate the base plate to ensure the tube is hanging vertically. Now screw the base plate onto the tank through the 4 edge holes, checking that the T-piece is centralised in the hole and that the aluminium tube will rise vertically. Whilst it may be unnecessary to pre-drill these holes in a poly tank, the 3mm drill bit supplied does make it easier. Drill a 3mm hole through the 2 holes closest to the vertical tube. When done, change back to a Phillips head bit and lock the swivel in place with the 2 remaining screws supplied. And drive them right through the swivel and into the tank. For the next step, have the orange beacon, the base dome and the top cover on hand, ready to fit. Remove the 4 edge screws fitted earlier. Now place the base dome over the tube with the up marking on top. It is important that the top holes must align with the base holes. Now screw back in all 4 screws you removed earlier. To place the top cover over the tube, align it so to suit the tank angle and clip down over the ridges to lock it in place. With the orange beacon near at hand, lift the aluminium tube up enough to grip it firmly. Remove the temporary nut and screw on the orange beacon tightly. Now installed, test the rise and fall of your WaterBeacon. And finally, replace the strainer and secure with the 4 original screws. Your WaterBeacon long distance level indicator is now ready for use.